Guys, it's your girl Brianna Queen. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So I recently posted a few pictures on Instagram and you guys wanted to know all about these hairstyles, and I was like, you know what, let me just record a YouTube video. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my two simple go-to hairstyles because I'm lazy these days. I don't know how to do hair that well, and I'm going to quit talking and get to this video.
This is my current bad hair day after getting my hair cut and straightened for my birthday. I know, I'm sad too. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and start by parting my hair down the middle. As you can see, I still have some straight pieces, some textured pieces, some pieces that have converted. I'm just having a bad hair day, y'all, okay?
Now parting my hair in the back into two sections, I'm going to braid those two sections up. Then I'm going to pin them to the back so they lay flat on the back of my head.
Now I'm taking the ORS pudding gel and I'm slathering it all on my hair. Then I'm just going to take a brush and brush it. It's just going to help to allow my hair to look more smoother and not be a hot mess. Yeah, that's what it helps me do. It helps my hair not look a hot mess in this ponytail. So now I'm just going to braid up my ponytail, and you guys know I am not a good braider, but it don't matter. You don't have to be good at braiding for this super hairstyle. So once I braid my hair up, then I'm going to whip out my secret weapon, which is my half wig. I'll put the link down below to this half wig, but you guys, this half wig just, it gets me together every single time.
Now I'm just taking the half wig and you guessed it, putting it on the back half of my head, and then once I have it connected, I'm going to take some bobby pins just to really secure it, because what you don't want is you to be whipping that thing and then that thing fall off. Okay, so now that it's super secure, I'm going to go ahead and section off some of my hair and put it into a ponytail to rock the half up, half down hairstyle. And now I'm taking this braid in the middle of my forehead. I'm going to wrap that braid around the ponytail, and then I'm going to secure it with some bobby pins, and boom. And then totally optional, but highly recommended, I'm going to slick down my baby hairs. And here's a heat-free 10-minute hairstyle that you can use so that you don't gotta have a bad hair day. I know, I'm happy too. Please, no autographs. Thank you. Yes, this is my real hair, yes. Alright y'all, so next up is the top bun. I'm first going to spray my hair with some heat protectant. This is totally optional, but for this I'm going to use my heat brush just because my roots have really converted. So just taking this heat brush, I'll have a link on Amazon as well, but it basically like straightens your hair. I'm just going to apply just a tad bit. And then you guessed it, we are slathering on some more RRS gel pudding. And you guys, all products I use, including the brush, will be down below in the description. So now I'm taking some few pieces out of my hair, my little sideburn pieces. I'm going to leave those out because those are going to be outside of my bun. Now I'm just taking my hair and brushing it up into a ponytail. Ooh, this ponytail is taking a lot out of me. So now I'm going to braid up that ponytail, and then we're going to pin it into the tiniest ball that you possibly can. Now I'm taking my weave ponytail and a big old fat donut, and I'm going to take the weave ponytail, put it on my little, I'm having too much fun. Okay, now I'm going to take my donut and I'm going to stick that donut, how do I even describe this? Stick the donut into the little nookie ball of my hair and also the weave, and then I'm just going to cover this donut with this weave. Sexy. Then I'm taking a ponytail holder and I'm going to, you guessed it, put it across. You don't want it to be too tight. Beautiful. And then I'm going to take the extra piece and wrap the bun again. And this way you get like that super big, gigantic bun, even if your hair is not that long. Now taking the remainder of that ponytail, you're just going to kind of stuff it in the center of the donut. And then as you see, it's going to kind of look like this. So then just take some more bobby pins and just tuck that underneath your donut with the bobby pin. And boom, there you go. Big old donut bun. I see you, Brie. And then last but not least, totally optional, but highly recommended, I'm going to slick down my baby hairs. And then, of course, I'm going to take my little curly pieces and I'm just going to get those real curly and revert them. And boom, there you go. Super big high bun.
So hope you guys enjoyed this video. In my next video, I'll be sharing with you guys my skincare routine. Because now that I'm in my 30s, what I did in my 20s don't really work these days. Excuse me. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay beautiful, and stay blessed. Bye. Let's turn this thing off.